Hey YouTube, I wanted to get on here and do a a quick review. I purchased this liquid foundation from Phoera. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it. I purchased it probably about a week ago, and I wanted to get on here and do like a full face foundation coverage. It says it's coverage foundation, naturally flawless, oil controlling, and lightweight feel. This is in the soft matte, and I did get it in the color number 105, which is sand. So yeah, it says it's full coverage. I normally don't wear full coverage foundation, but I wanted to try it out because I saw so many good reviews on it. And it says, always shake before use to activate. Pump foundation into the back of your hand. Start with one pump for medium coverage and build to full coverage with a second pump if desired. Picking up the foundation with your brush, start at the center of the face and working outward. So it tells you, it wants you to start from in here and then work out. So in here and then work out. Blend well into the jawline and hairline to ensure an even appearance that look like skin, not makeup. Okay, so here it is. Phoera is what I want to say it's pronounced. So it says you got to shake it. So I'm going to be using my brush. I'm not sure exactly what number it is, but it's a foundation brush, so I'm gonna go ahead and shake it. I hope everyone had a Merry Christmas. Yesterday was Christmas and we had a blast. We just hung out with family. Okay, so let's see. So what I'm gonna do, instead of putting it on my hand, I'm gonna put it on my brush and then apply it to my face. So you have to unlock it. It's like, it has a little knob that you turn to unlock. So I went ahead and put some on. There. So I'm gonna go ahead and start, I guess like my cheek area. I think I wanna do like half face first just to see the difference. So I'm gonna start here. And how I apply, I just blot. Like I don't like to brush on. I guess because I'm so used to my sponge. And I normally don't put it. So I'm going to add a little bit more since I'm going down here. And I'm going to just do half of my face and then go from there. So I'm just adding like a little bit at a time just to get the spots that I want to be covered very well. Hoping you can see me. Okay. I mean, it goes on. It seems like it's very smooth, like soft. And beforehand, I put on a, let's see, I use my Instant Age Rewind Primer, Skin Primer. I love this, and I like the skin one. I can't remember what the brand is. I think it's L'Oreal maybe. Okay, so, and I'm only doing half of my face just because I want to see the difference. honestly feels like, can you see the difference already? Like, look at that. So it did lighten up down under here, which I love. Look how that looks. Okay, so I'm going to do the whole face, and look at that. It did very well, actually. Like, these are just red, dry spots. I get patches throughout the year, but look at that. Before, after. I love it, actually. So I'm excited. And like I said, I normally don't use like full-on coverage foundation just because I don't like to wear much makeup. I'll just do like a concealer on my spots, my imperfections, and then I'll do mascara and chapstick. Yeah, I'm really impressed. And I will link down in the description box below where I purchased it from, where you can get it. They have over like 30 shades, I think it is. And I love it because it just blends so well. And look how it took out the redness. I'm excited. Okay, I think I'm done. Love how it turned out. I mean, like, I'm highly impressed. And this is, it says one fluid ounce is what you get. And like I said, like the little bit that I used, look how much coverage it did for me. Like, I love it. Look at that. It's like, I have to do my eyebrows, but I think it came out really good. I love how it just blends so well and it's so smooth. Yeah. So yeah, I just wanted to get on here and do this quick review. 105 sand. But yeah, I love it. I'm totally going to keep using this product. And it wasn't even that expensive. Like I said, I'm going to link down in the description box below where I got it from, where you can pick it up. And this is the full coverage one. I'm not sure if they have like a concealer or other products, but I've been wanting to try this out. I saw it a couple of times. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.